In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu drawer, hamburger, in Shopify Sense theme. If you're using the Sense theme, the good news is that the hamburger, or drawer-style menu, is built in for small screens. On phones and tablets, visitors should automatically see a compact icon in the header that opens a slide-out panel with your navigation. If that isn't appearing for you yet, I'll walk you through how to check your settings and get it working. Start in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on the Sense theme you're using. This opens the theme editor, where you can adjust what shows up on your storefront. Inside the theme editor, open the header section. Here, make sure a main menu is assigned. This tells the header which set of links to display. Choose the navigation that contains the links you want visitors to see. If you're not sure which one that is, look for the menu that matches the structure you expect on your site with your primary links and any nested items for submenus. Next, find the menu type setting and select Drawer. This option enables the hamburger behavior on smaller screens. It keeps your header clean while still giving visitors easy access to your links. Click Save to apply the changes. Now it's time to preview. Use a mobile device to view your storefront, or simply narrow your desktop browser window until it reaches a mobile width. When the window is small enough, you should see the hamburger icon in the header. Tap or click it, and the menu should slide in from the side. If you've set up submenus, they should expand within the drawer so customers can drill down into categories without leaving the page. If you don't see the drawer appear, double-check that you saved your changes, that you're editing the correct theme, and that the header section is visible on the template you're previewing. Also, ensure your window is actually at a mobile width. On full-width desktop, Sense will typically show a standard horizontal menu. A quick refresh or an incognito window can help rule out caching while testing. That's all you need for the mobile drawer in Sense. With the main menu assigned and the menu type set to drawer, your store will show a clean, modern hamburger menu on small screens, giving shoppers a smooth and familiar navigation experience. Save, preview, and you're done.